Let's take a real look at the working performance of the HG80VN TurboTrac tractor. Can 1 hectare really be completed in just 60 minutes? This is the real performance when the machine operates directly in the field. The secret behind this productivity comes from how everything works together. The track system provides strong ground grip, reducing slipping and preventing the machine from getting stuck, even in soft or muddy fields. Because of this stability, the 2.2-meter tiller can work at full capacity, breaking the soil evenly across the field. In real field conditions, this machine, combined with the tiller, can complete about 1 hectare per hour. That's around 10,000 square meters. A strong result in real working conditions. At this speed, farmers can manage their entire field more easily without worrying too much about weather changes or labor shortages. Take a closer look at the soil after tilling. It's loose, even, and well prepared for planting. However, when working on dry and hard soil, the machine will move slightly slower. This allows the blades to go deeper and process the soil more thoroughly, while also protecting the engine from overheating during heavy work. In return, the soil quality becomes better and more suitable for planting. What makes track tractors valuable is not just speed, but stability and consistency across different field conditions. Whether it's muddy land or dry, compact soil, the machine keeps a steady working rhythm without losing performance. Completing 1 hectare in just over 1 hour is a solid performance and a strong start for a successful farming season. In harder soil conditions, the working rate may average around 8,000 square meters per hour as the machine slows down to ensure deeper tilling and better soil preparation. This helps protect the engine during heavy operation and extends the machine's lifespan. Track tractors are not only fast, they are also stable across different terrains, helping reduce working time and operating costs. Additional features help maximize efficiency, allowing farmers to increase their overall income. These results are recorded directly from real field conditions, not theoretical specifications. If you need more information or want to see actual demonstrations, feel free to leave a comment or contact HOGICO for detailed support.